Hello viewers, you are welcome to Sam Phonetics Plus. In today's class, I will be guiding you through sound discrimination between vowel sounds E and E. Vowel sound E is a long vowel sound, while vowel sound E, which is this, is a short vowel sound. Example, here is a long vowel sound and there is a short vowel sound. Number one, sheep, 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 sheep. Number two, seat, 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 seat. Number three, read, 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 read. Number four, seek, 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 seek. Number five, sing, 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 sing. All right, here are a few examples of simple sentences. Number one, the sheep are in the sheep. The sheep are in the sheep. Number two, Emma can sit on the seat. Emma can sit on the seat. Number three, the men seek the sick man in the hole. The men seek the sick man in the hole. Number four, we read to get rid of ignorance. We read to get rid of ignorance. If this video was helpful, then like, share, and follow my page. You can equally subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.